You have probably heard that holding in a sneeze can kill you. But is this actually true? Well, there's a lot of force in a sneeze, and holding them in makes that energy stay inside your body. This can lead to minor complications like a ruptured eardrum or a popped blood vessels. And there have been claims that it can cause collapsed lungs and even brain aneurysm, but these claims are not verified, which means holding them in probably will not kill you. Double tap if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe.